Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you what to do if you don't want to see any Instagram activities from certain account like their stories or their post, but you don't want to unfollow them. So here is the trick, guys. You can mute them. So to mute them, you have to search for their profile on Instagram story that they made. For example, I want to mute this account. So I will just have to tap and hold on their profile picture here. So tap and hold. Tap and hold, and then you will see the option mute here. Click on mute. After you click on mute, you will have two options, whether to mute just their story or both their story and their post. So you can choose here, and they won't be notified if you muted their activities, but you can just keep on scrolling your friends' stories or their feeds, and you won't see if they have any updates, so you don't have to unfollow them, and you can just keep good relationship with them. You just don't become their viewers. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.